Now we're going to get down to the real nitty-gritty of formatting text using HTML. In this video we're going to go over using the text format tag to change the leading or line spacing of our text. We're going to go over creating hyperlinks and adding images to a text file. Open up your text file, create an insertion point right after the equal sign of the word info. Type a less than sign and type text format. All one word, all lowercase, space, leading, equals, open quote, 7, close quote, greater than sign. This sets the leading or the line spacing of the text to 7. Go to the end of the text, less than sign, forward slash. Forward slashes are typically used to end a tag in HTML, just like you would use a closed bracket to end a statement in a function or a conditional statement. Less than sign, forward slash, text format, greater than sign. Save the file, go to Flash, test it out. See that the line spacing gives you a little more breathing room. Pretty sweet. Go back to your text file. Now we're going to add a hyperlink. Go right before the word new moon, or wherever you want to make a hyperlink. Less than sign, a, space, href, equal sign, open quote. Type the name of your URL. And go http://www.moon.com, close quote, greater than sign. Then I'm going to go after the word moon, type a less than sign, forward slash, lowercase a, greater than sign. What this is saying is the link to the file or URL moon.com. When you roll over this text, new moon, it's defined in between the opening and closing tags. And here's the closing tag right here, forward slash a. Roll over new or moon, it will link to moon.com. Save the file, go back to your Flash file, test it out. Notice that the color doesn't change or anything. We're going to edit that with CSS later on. Click on that, takes you to moon.com. Close that Swift, go back to your text file. Now we're going to add a little picture of the moon to make it a little more fun. Go right after your equal sign, less than sign, img, which is short for image, space, src, short for source, equal sign, open quote. Type your image source in the quotes. You can either use a URL or a relative address. I'm just going to use a relative address. I'm going to type moon.jpg, close quote. I'm going to find some parameters here, space, height equals, open quote, 75, close quote, space, width, equal sign, open quote, 80, close quote. Close the tag, greater than sign. Save that file. Go back to your Flash document, test the movie, and behold the magic. So you can see that though you can't do a million things with HTML, it's still pretty powerful, pretty easy to use, and you can do some cool effects.